When it comes to efficient metal removal, control is everything. Control of the tool engagement, chip thickness, tool load. That's exactly what trochoidal and high-efficiency milling are designed to deliver. Traditional tool paths often engage the tool at inconsistent widths, which means the chip load and cutting pressure constantly fluctuate. This leads to hot spots, uneven wear, and premature tool failure. Trochoidal motion solves that by maintaining a consistent engagement angle. The cutter follows a looping, rhythmic motion, entering and exiting the material gradually instead of forcing itself through a corner or heavy cut. Now, high-efficiency milling builds on that same idea while integrating it with advanced tool geometry. By combining variable pitch and variable helix designs with radial chip thinning principles, you can run lighter radial step-overs, deeper axial depths, and faster feed rates, all while keeping the load consistent. Every factor we've covered in this series comes together here. Chip thinning determines how much feed to apply based on engagement. Variable helix stabilizes the cutting forces and eliminates chatter. Feed adjustments maintain balance between internal and external arcs. When programmed correctly, trochoidal and HEM toolpaths let you use more of the cutting edge, not just the bottom section, distributing the wear evenly, reducing heat concentration, and preventing premature tool failure. Software is what makes this possible. Modern CAM systems automatically calculate the tool engagement angles, radial step-overs, and feed compensation. But the results still depend on your understanding of the principles, knowing why those parameters matter. Think of it as intelligent cutting. Every motion is designed to maintain a constant relationship between the tool, the material, and the spindle. The more you understand the interactions behind those motions, the more you can fine-tune the process, not just follow it. In upcoming sessions, we'll explore how these strategies expand into adaptive toolpaths, cutter compensation, and even machine-specific optimizations for dynamic motion control. For now, remember this. Whether it's trochoidal, HEM, or another advanced strategy, the goal is consistency. Consistent engagement, consistent chip load, and consistent results. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And keep an eye out for our next series of videos where we'll go into turning concepts, hole making, tool holding, work holding, and a number of other performance-related topics. So, what are we working on next?